Kate Miller Fulcher to Toni Creates, and a bit of fun in our fun journal. Right, folks, what I have here is a digital from Shabby Dabby Doodah. I just bought a couple of digitals when she was going through a hard time. And this, I think, is a bakery one. I don't know what the name of it is, but I like the colors and I thought it would go great in my fun journal. So I cut out a few of the fun bits, and I thought I'd just go through my journal and see where I was going to put them. Here's a mushroom. Don't know if I really want to. Kind of like that, just like it is. Okay, I think we could put something here just to put a bit of fun on this page. We could actually stick it over here. Bakery. Oh, we could just stick it in like that. Okay. Oh, we need something in here. Let's put a teacup. There we go. Got a teacup in there. Okay. Guys, you won't believe it. I was working on the arty journal, did a whole, and I decided to prep first. So I did the small journal, did the pocket like I wanted it, and then I filmed the big journal. Don't know what happened to my phone, what happened to the camera, what. No video. So it's actually quite a cool belly band. It actually fades away on that page. Let me take these bits. I didn't really want pieces of cake. I think I want to just stick a word on here. Supposed to be putting these fun bits away, aren't we? Create those memories. There we go. Oopsie. I re-inked my ink pad, and I think I dipped my sponging there a bit too soon. This is my packet that I just put a bit of serviette over, guys. Come on, let's get you down. So anyway, so like I said, so I didn't frame. Now I've already done the other one. Otherwise I would have like, oh, okay, no problem, let me just do the other journal. But I thought I'd be like organized and just make sure the whole thing worked out. No, sorry. So anyway, that's that. Phew. Oh, let's put something fun on here. Let's stick this. Let's stick that on there. Yeah, I think so. It looks good. Let's give it a bit of an ink. So I'm a wee bit frustrated. So now I'm trying to remember what I said so I can give you my news. Oh, going off to another Deb's. Oh, and I was telling you the times. So they get the bus from the school at 5. I think it's a 2-hour bus trip or whatever, and then they get there, they have their dinner and do their ball and I think their speeches and all that sort of thing, and then the bus leaves at 6 o'clock the next morning to come home. So yeah, so that's they're wrecked at the end of the day. Okay, he's tucked in there. We've got our lovely pocket. Maybe, what's this? We should stick a little mushroom on this side just for fun. Let's do that. Just for fun. We could actually make him a tuck spot. No, let's just stick him down. Got a nice big pocket there. Yeah, gonna do that. Now I'm paranoid. Am I filming? Am I not filming? I don't know why it didn't. It's the weirdest thing. It's like these two little bits of video of literally blank screen. One had like a pink hue all over it. I'm like, what the? But you know what? These things don't just happen. I obviously somehow managed to switch it off. Oh, look here, guys. I stuck on this page. I just stuck these circles so you can actually journal on this spot. Isn't that fun? Okay, let's put where's our teacups? Let's put our teacups here, and we can make this a tuck spot. Yes, Serena. I'm just going to lightly these are just printed on cardstock, and it's not really very thick cardstock either, but it'll be good enough for a tuck spot. We're just going to go down like that. Whoops. And let's just come in a bit here. There we go. And let's stick him right on top of that. See? Make our cup straight. The bottom cup straight, and then all the top cups are. There we go. So now we have a tuck spot, guys. Got some of this. Let's take a piece of this. I wish it was a bit lighter. There we go. Let's pull it out a little bit. Oh, look at this thing I got from Temu. And look. Ta-da! Obviously this is a bit too thin, but it fits that nicely. No, it doesn't. Fits this nicely. Okay, I'll get to the right one in the end. See there, place for your pen. I know. So that's gonna stay in there so I can see the bulk. Mushrooms. We're looking for a spot to stick our mushrooms. Let's too bright. Teacup that can also be another tuck spot. No, I like my picture there. Okay, should we stick another word down there? What we're gonna stick? It's just random. Happiness is you. There we go. Stick a word down there. So stick that down there. There we go. Okay, we've got fun there. Let's stick some more teacups over here, just for something on that page, and we will make this one a tuck spot as well. Okay, so yes, so what else can I say? I was telling you about the Debs. So I'm gonna go upstairs now quickly, wash the hair, and then of course guess what happened? I know, hopefully it comes out in the shower. Oh, this is fun. Let's put some flowers on this one. I think I'm gonna put that there. Oh, look at these cute mushrooms. Let's go put the mushrooms down. Oopsie, now I've got, what's his name on my put ink down there. Love these. Okay, that's journaling there. Should we put a little bit of inky around the top of our mushrooms? Yeah, so that's... Anyway, what I'm going to tell you guys, so the next video you're going to see is going to be a flip through of this journal and the arty journals. I'm going to finish them off camera because I feel like it's becoming a bit of a waffle, you know what I mean? It's like, I should have done this one. Wanted flowers. Okay, well, we can put our own flowers, can't we? Can't we? No, let's just leave him like that. Okay. Well, let's go back again. Should we stick these over here just to have something on there? Right, so that's that. So I've used up this. I think I might, with the collage page that I printed on card. No, I didn't. Just checking. No, I didn't make a journal card, but I kind of think all my pockets are full. So can't really make this a tuck spot because of the thin stems, but they can decorate the page. Okay, so yeah, so wee bit frustrated. Okay, now I like that. I'm not going to put anything on that there. Let's go again. Trying to just brighten this little bit up here. That's the one thing with this craft, guys. If you don't like something, you can plonk something else on top there. Oh, and you know what happened? That's something else I wanted to tell you. Just knocked my foot to Kingdom Come, and I'm not taking my sock off. I've probably got a purple toe. Anyway, I was hopping for a good bit, guys. A good bit. Right, there's something I wanted to... What on this side of this page? What do I have? Just go like that. Here it is. Oh, I've got this. That's see, all of this is journal spots. I wanted to stick this down as another journal spot, but maybe I can stick it over here. Let me stick it down here. Okay, this is part of the pocket I was making for the other journal. Different, you'll see it's not the same. Inspired from Revolut packing. I think there's a whole video on it. Don't ask me to find it. I've got over 200 videos on my channel. So guys, I wanted to decorate this first, but no, now what am I doing? I'm gluing the back. Oh, sometimes you can be a pisser. Okay, I think I need more glue on there. Just the paper's embossed, so I kind of want to make sure there's enough. And look, we've got a little bit of a yellow stain there, so we can go like that and stick this down on there like that. There, and then it opens like that, and you can journal on it. Okay. So now we can stick our cup of tea to go with this one. Stick our cup of tea our mushroom and stick our flowers. Flowers, cup of tea, and a mushroom. There we go. And then I think we can actually call this journal done, but we can't because I still haven't decided what closure I'm going to do. Cannot decide, guys. I've tried and I've tried and I've tried and I don't know what to do. So okay, and there like that. So yeah, just I don't know, for the life of me I cannot decide what I want to do. Don't know if I want an elastic closure or what. Can't decide, guys. Can't decide. And now I kind of don't know if I want this teacup here. If I had a smaller one, is there a smaller teacup? No. No smaller teacup. I'm just going to leave that like that. So that opens like that. Pretty. Okay, so that's it. I'm not going to do any more. I need to just add some papers in here now. So we've got this nice big one here. Oh, you know what? So anyway, so the next one's going to be a flip through. So I don't know, if anybody has an idea what closure to put on this thing, please leave it in the comments below and let me know. Anyway, folks, thank you for the likes and the subscribes. Thank you so much for those of you that take the time out to comment on my videos, and I will see you soon. Cheerio now.